We're replacing the cabin filter on a Mustang Mach-E. First thing you do is open a glove box and disconnect the soft open shock absorber. Then on each side of the glove box there's a tab. You push them from the outside in and that releases it. Tip it all the way down and you can pull the whole glove box out of your way. You can see that rectangular door there, and there's a tab on each side. So release the tab and fold the door down, and there's your filter. Now I did some digging and I found out that they use the same dimension filter in a Lincoln Aviator, 2020 Aviator, and it's a higher quality one. It has it's a high efficiency, and it also has a carbon odor absorbing coating on it. Last time I checked, they're both the same price, so if you want to do a little upgrade, it doesn't cost you anything. Now they recommend you replace these filters at 20,000 miles or 32,000 kilometers. Obviously, if you're in a very dusty area, you'll have to change it more often than that.